Hello, I'm James Dalton. I am the Quality Director for TAT Piedmont. The topic I'll be covering today is the quality and certifications. This is part 5 of the series TAT Talks. Some of the biggest reasons that TAT Piedmont stands out when it comes to quality and certifications is simply the way all of our qualifications work hand in hand together. We're able to provide the whole array of anything that the customer requires. It's also proof of our dedication and our professionalism and to our current quality systems to make sure that we are delivering the best quality product. So now I'd like to take a chance and just maybe go through some of our certifications that we do have and maybe point out some of the benefits it could be for you and your company. First, I'd like to discuss the FAA CFR Part 145 certification. Now, this is one of the necessary qualifications for the FAA in order to be listed as a maintenance, repair, and overhaul facility within the United States. It helps to ensure that there is compliance to all regulations regarding any of the aircraft flights. Specific rules are very much in place and they can be very strict at times. This certification allows us to actually return parts, engines, landing gear, and other items back to its original aircraft service. Next is EASA. EASA is nothing more really than the European version of the FAA. By being certified in both EASA and FAA Part 145, TAT Piedmont is allowed to dual certify parts, engines, or landing gear after any maintenance or overhaul. The next certification is AS 9110. In reality, few companies have this certification. It takes a lot of hard work and dedication in order to maintain high standard quality systems and products. Next, we have NADCAP. NADCAP is recognized globally as being very specific in the regards to processing and certifications. We have recently received certification for some of our special processes. We are also looking at expanding our NADCAP certification to include some of the other processes we have in-house. Lastly, we are certified in ITAR, the International Traffic and Arms Regulations. This is something that is accepted internationally with foreign militaries and governments. We have a very high success rate with the PVAs that are normally required. PVA stands for Production Verification Audits, which is usually the final requirement once you've proven that your processes can produce the expected outcome. This also allows for another tighter level of safety and security for both the facility and your product within our facilities. Now that I've covered all the certifications that we do have, it shows that we are willing and dedicated to our customers in order to meet any of their required needs or any needs they may have from their customers. Even with all these certifications, many of our customers have special requirements. If you and your company would have special requirements or have any questions on anything I've covered, please feel free to contact us and don't forget to follow us on LinkedIn.